that these are the very things that will position me for the purpose. And it's because of phone calls like that that caused me to stay in the straight and narrow and always remain in the direction of the purpose that I needed to walk in. Because that's when I decided that I made a decision after 18 years of marriage when my wife passed away, and we had been through 12 miscarriages in those 18 years. We never had children. Our first baby, we were expecting when she was about 7.5 months into the pregnancy, and then they said something's wrong, and she gives birth to a stillborn baby. And ever since then, it was 12 miscarriages later. And so I'm standing at the hospital bed, and I'm thinking, is all my dreams going to be buried with this woman that had been my childhood bride? Is this the end of my life? What's going to happen to me? I've just started off in ministry, and I tried ministry at that time, and I thought everything is going great. Do I give up everything and just throw in the towel and say, this is it? I'm not going any further. But I knew that there was a call in my life. And I said to God, I don't want you to ever open up my heart to a woman until the day you bring the right one into my life. And I knew there was a divine plan. There was a divine destiny that God had for me. And that first time when I was here in Chicago, it was 3 months after she had passed on. And I wanted to get away just to take a break and a breather. And so I came here and I sat at the conference that you guys had. And I was so encouraged. Sometimes the decisions you make towards your purpose will cost you, but it's worth the investment because it's not an expense. And so I sat here at my own expense. And I sowed during the time when Mike Murdoch was here. And he said, there's 58 blessings in the Word of God. And he spoke about his testimony about the 58 blessings. And the first thing that came to my mind, I need to sow for a bride. And so I had two $58 seeds. One was for my bride, and I wrote it at the back of my Bible. And the other was for ministry, that God would open up doors and bring me with favor before people that He was opening up the doors or needed to open up the doors for. And 3 years later, my $58 bride walked into my life. But may I add that she's worth billions in my eyes.